emphasizing the rails.
Okay.
Why are they so thick? Why did that, like...
This is the trailer. The VIN number's 2024, 2015. Bottom of the plate. No bends, no bends. All the cross members have pictures of as well. Here's the legs. You got the Jost legs, one of the best ones out there. Here we go. Everything's been refurbished. You got the tires. Zoom in. Everything's painted. Any brakes that's lower 50 were replaced. Tires exterior painted. All the mud flaps intact. New ones. Here's the back ICC bumper. New stickers on them. All the doors. Side, all the seals. Any seal that was damaged was replaced. And here's the interior. You got the metal plates in the front to protect from the damage that was done. Here's the roof all the way back. Everything's good. Logistics post. Floor is in great shape.